Very, very original. This bloke has owned this for more than 40 years. So whilst obviously it needs a full resto, you got something very special when you've done it. G'day there, John Bow here, and I've got this car which is incredibly rare. These XA GTs have become incredibly collectible, and this is Stratosphere Grey. They built two cars in that colour. So very, very unusual, but it does need a full restoration. So as you can see, the paint's pretty daggy. It's got a bit of rust around the side, but it's a matching numbers car. Factory built 351 auto, and if you restore it, you'll have one of the most unusual cars in the country. So have a look at Grey's classic cars online and have a bid.